Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add languages on LinkedIn. This is a useful feature if you want to showcase your linguistic skills and make your profile more attractive to potential employers or connections from around the world. For Shopify store owners and beginners, this can be especially powerful if you work with international suppliers, serve global customers, or plan to expand into new markets. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website. Open your favorite web browser and type in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't signed in yet, enter your email and password and click the Sign In button to access your profile. Make sure you're logging into the correct account so any updates you make reflect on the profile you actively use. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. Now, to continue with our task, click on your profile picture or name located at the top of the page. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile, where all your professional information is displayed and where visitors go to learn more about you and what you do. Next, you're going to want to update your profile to add a new section. Look for the button that says Add Profile Section. It should be near the top part of your profile page and is used to expand your profile beyond the basics. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. In this drop-down menu, locate the section labeled Additional. This section contains various optional fields you can add to your LinkedIn profile to make it more comprehensive and informative, helping you stand out from others in your niche. Click on Additional to reveal further customization options. Here, you will see an option labeled Add Languages. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new form specifically designed for inputting language information, allowing LinkedIn to display your language skills clearly and consistently across your profile. Now let's move on to the fun part. Entering your languages in the text box provided. Type in the name of the language you want to add to your profile. As you type, a list of suggestions may appear. You can click on the correct option if it shows up, which facilitates input and ensures uniformity across the platform. This is helpful because it allows recruiters and connections to easily search and filter profiles by language. Once you've chosen or typed in the language, the next step is to specify your proficiency level. LinkedIn provides several proficiency categories, such as elementary, limited working proficiency, professional working proficiency, and full professional or native bilingual proficiency. Select the one that accurately reflects your skill level for that language, as being honest here builds trust and sets clear expectations when people view your profile. Finally, after entering the language and proficiency level, look towards the bottom of the form for the Save button. Clicking this will store your new language information on your profile and immediately make it visible to anyone who visits your page. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn profile now reflects your multilingual abilities. With these steps completed, you've successfully enhanced your LinkedIn profile by showcasing your language skills. This can help broaden your professional opportunities, support global business growth, and connect with more diverse professionals globally. Thank you for following along, and good luck in your networking journey.